Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this DriverGenius HB081 USB-C 3.2 Generation 1 CFast 2.0 DSLR reader. And of course, it's a writer too. The DriverGenius HB081 USB-C card reader is an ideal for creative professionals. It saves us time and helps us work more efficiently when working with a wide variety of flash medias, letting us quickly transfer and backup files. It supports SD4.0, SD, UHS-II microSD, and CFast 2.0. And it connects to the USB-C port on our tablet, smartphone, laptop, or desktop computer. The DriverGenius gives us the flexibility and the convenience of accessing multiple types of memory cards. It gives us read and write access to virtually any format of flash media cards from our digital cameras or video cameras, with support for SD, SDHC, SDXC, microSD, and CFast 2.0 cards. We can easily review files or backup and archive data from our smartphone, tablet, laptop, or other USB Type-C enabled devices. The 3 memory card slots for SD, microSD, and CFast 2.0 cards are all hot swappable for additional flexibility. The DriverGenius gives us a portable solution for accessing a wide variety of memory cards anywhere we go. With its small form factor, it fits easily into our pocket, backpack, and on a laptop bag, and so on. The integrated USB Type-C cable lets us quickly connect to a computer or pack it up quickly when we are done using it, without having to carry an additional cable with us. The card reader is powered directly from the USB port and supports plug-and-play installation, with no driver or software installation is required. We transfer photos, videos, or other files from our SD, microSD, and CFast 2.0 card to our USB-C enabled tablet, laptop, or other device. Gain greater efficiency when working with a variety of memory cards. This is ideal for creative professionals, including photographers, videographers, and graphic designers. It provides read and write access for UHS-II SD, SD4.0 microSD, and CFast 2.0 simultaneously. It supports USB 3.0 with data transfer speed up to 5 gigabit per second. This is USB powered. Backward compatibility with USB 2 and older SD card versions are included, of course. Its compact portable design with a stylish brushed aluminum housing. No driver or software installation required. The OS compatibility, OS independent, no software or drivers required, of course. And based on USB 3.0 specifications, the performance may vary depending on the use case and the host device. Wow. And the full HD video supports may vary based on the host device, file attributes, and other factors. We can transfer and watch data with the good and nice built SD cards. Okay, secure digital. That means SD card. SD is a proprietary, non-volatile flash memory card format the SD associations developed for use in portable devices. We have here the standard was introduced in August 1999 by SanDisk, Panasonic, and Toshiba as an improvement of multimedia cards. The SDs have become an industry standard. The 3 compact format SD3 LLC, a company that in license and enforce intellectual properties right associated with the SD memory cards and SD host and ancillary products. In January 2000, the company formed the SD Association, a non-profit organization to create and promote SD card standards. As of 2023, the SDA has approximately 1,000 members companies. It uses several SD3C-owned trademarks logos to enforce compliance with its specifications intended compacted. And we can use it, the SD card, on it. We have form factor possibility with microSD and the standard SD card size. That's possible to connect here. And we have CFast. This is a compact flash, a variant of the compact flash. The CFast is based on the Theris ATA interface rather than the parallel ATA EDA bus for which all previous versions of the compact flash are designed. The CFast is also known as a compact fast, and it brings data. The CFast are often used on these other camera systems. So this is a good choice which DriverGenius did here, because these are the three big players on professional market with their microSD card, SD card, and the CFast card. These are the three big players on the market which we professional content creator are use. And the DriverGenius HB081 USB-C card reader, writer and reader is ideal for creative professions like art. It saves us time and helps us work more efficiently when working with a wide variety of flash media's card. This is letting us quickly transfer and backup files in a glance. This is the DriverGenius HB081. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Son.